Okay, so hi guys, my hair is a mess right now, but I just finished washing it, so that's why it's so puffy in the back. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is welcome to my channel. My name is Yanabel, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this look right here. First, we are going to start off by applying a yellow shade onto our crease. This is going to be acting as our transition shade. Okay guys, just to let you know, in this video I'm mainly just going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. The second shade that we are going to be using is an orange color. We are going to apply it onto our crease, but we aren't going to blend it up as much as we did with the yellow. Now we're going to go in with a purple shade. We're applying it onto our crease and we're leaving it there though. With a different brush, we're going to use it to blend out the purple with the rest of the colors. Okay, so I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to create my crease. Using the same palette, we're going to dip our brushes into the purple shade that we used earlier. We're applying the purple at the end of the crease that we created, and we're trying to mix it into the crease. Using the same orange that we were using earlier, we're going to take it and apply it onto the lid and start mixing it in with the purple that we already applied. Okay, so after mixing the purple and orange together, we're going to go in with the yellow shade and start doing the same thing. We're going to mix the yellow with the orange. Okay, so guys, we could all do the same here. I went in with a powder of my skin color and I applied it into the inner corner of the crease, the beginning of the crease, to give that effect to it. But yeah. Going in with my Outlast CoverGirl concealer, I'm going to be cleaning the mess I made. After cleaning the mess up, I'm going to go in with a sponge to blend everything in together. And off camera, I'm going to do the rest of my face, put the lashes on, lip gloss, everything else. Look right here. Yo, what's up? What's up?